What's up everybody, this is Sean from Seanboxing. Today I'm going to introduce to you the latest Nike Air More Uptempo series, and it's called Denim for obvious reasons. Set to release on August 10th, or today, these shoes are priced at $170 US or 189,000 Korean won. I love the design of the Uptempos, especially on the side where it has a big Air logo on it and you're never gonna miss it. Before I show you this product, I have a little fun clip I want to share with you guys. If you're afraid of heights, you might want to skip this part, but this is me a couple of years ago skydiving in my Navy Uptempos, so check it out. Yeah, I know it's pretty corny, but at least I thought it was cool back then. So, without further ado, here is Nike Air More Uptempo Denim. So it's a regular Nike box, and it says Air More Uptempo 96 QS, and the color reads white/obsidian total orange. Not sure if that reflects any of the denim side, but yeah, let's check it out. And here is the first look of Nike Air More Uptempo Denim. Get the other side out. So this product uses 3 different types of denim, going from light blue, blue to dark blue. They used bits of everything here and there, but for me the most interesting part is the Air font on the sides. It looks great, but I'm also kind of curious how they'd look if the colors were reversed, with Air being the light blue and these light blue parts being the darkest. What do you guys think? On the tongue, there's a swoosh in orange or red. On the net it said red, but to me it looks more like orange, and the color matches with the swooshes on the bottom of the shoes. It's just the regular Air More Uptempo, except it's using denim obviously. It looks so much better with my bare eyes, so much better than the images on the web. I know a lot of you guys are waiting for this product, but I think it's definitely worth a cop if you guys are a fan of Air More Uptempo products. Let's see how big the sole is using Easy Check. A lot of my friends think these actually have really high or big soles, but I'm not really sure if that's true, but truth will be released. So I'm pressing it as hard as I can, and voila, that's what I got. Got 2.75 centimeters. So that's not so bad, but I thought it was gonna be more than 3 centimeters, but obviously I was wrong. If you guys are conscious about the height of the soles, then here it is. I was kind of debating which pants I should wear for the Onfeet review. I thought wearing another denim would be a stretch, so I just put on the regular black pants. And now let's see how they look on my feet.
you.